History isn't just dates in a textbook. It's the seconds between a breath and a deafening blast. It's the faces of those who stood a heartbeat away from eternity. By 1944, trench warfare had reached its brutal peak. Artillery barrages could last for hours, turning the landscape into a lunar wasteland. For the common infantryman, the entire world was reduced to the width of his trench. Inside a tank, life was measured by the thickness of steel. During major operations, the life expectancy of a crew at the front could often be measured in days. It was a war of machines, where man was merely a cog in the mechanism. At 20,000 feet, the war looked different, but it was no less unforgiving. A split-second loss of focus, and you became a fireball falling through the clouds. We look at these frames, brought to life by the technology of the future, to better understand the past, to see the human behind every explosion, to feel the price paid for every inch of ground. Subscribe as we dive deeper into the most decisive battles of this war. We continue to tell the stories that must never be forgotten.